Goa Health Minister Vishwajit Rane delivered an emotional and heartfelt speech at the Nursing Convergence 2026, praising the nursing fraternity for their compassion, resilience, and crucial role in Goa's healthcare system. Speaking during the felicitation of National Florence Nightingale Award winner Raksha Parvatkar, Rane reflected on Goa's healthcare journey over the past 3 decades, recalling the difficult conditions once faced at Goa Medical College and contrasting them with today's improved infrastructure and opportunities for nurses in the state. He described nurses as the people with skilled hands, sharp minds and unbreakable hearts, emphasizing how they comfort patients and families during life's most difficult moments.
Different passion. I was listening to Madam. I was looking at her trying to find out who is she. So basically, I just was listening to a speech as I was coming in on the last defense. And basically, like Mrs. Parvatkar said, Rekha Parvatkar ji said about my knowing me, yes, it's a long journey from when I started as a General Secretary to running the Health Ministry for the last 17th year. I don't know also because I always start with health. And it's very important. All of you who are here today, I see many young faces, lot of young nurses. You know, it has taken us a lot of effort. तुमका सगळ्यांक जॉब आणि opportunities तैयार करून शिकोवपाक and इनको पढ़ाने के लिए, सिखाने के लिए and also to try to create that type of momentum in the area of healthcare. It has taken us a lot of effort. And it has not happened over 1 year, 2 years, like Rekha Parvatkar said. If you ask her, 20 years back, she's here 26 years, she said. So 30 years. So if you look at 30 years back, the healthcare scenario in the state of Goa, and my OSD Rajendra Desai, she was Director of Health Services. So along with her, the journey starts. And actually when I started, I would like to mention, she will agree with me, that when I had my daughter, when she was born 26 years back, the situation was very bad in Goa Medical College. There was no arrangement for any child to survive. There every parent had to intubate the patient, we used to pump the patient and give oxygen to the child to survive. And they used to sit whole night, and I have gone and seen this with my own eyes. I had gone and seen it and see how they used to use the hand, and they used to get tired actually trying to make that child use the pump and actually survive. Bandicutes used to come and pull out the fingers and eyes of the children, and that is how our government hospital was. Today we are proud that we have a fantastic institution. Still lots has to be done. When I say fantastic institution means we have built infrastructure. We have you as our
Like, subscribe, and get notified.
मामा पैसे काढ.
अच्छा घे.
This is business. दीदी खेळ. Don't act over smart. दीदी पैसे दे. घे मका बेजार राहिलो. Your turn, daddy. Yes, daddy, पैसे काढ.
आता आणि किती आहे तुमच्याकडे
असा मरे
किती आहे
गोल्ड.
छान
भांगरा वालोर भुरगी बसून जाणा. So invest in gold and make a smart choice.
Only at Ulas Jewelers.